Engineering is important for preschool students because it really is a process that they're going to have to learn and explore their whole entire lives. It's really a process of solving problems.
Count out the things if you want them, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
You know, when they work in other areas of the classroom, say in the art area for instance, we expect them to just work creatively. And then when they're finished, it's great. We sort of accept that that creative moment is over and they're off doing something else. With engineering though, this was the first time we had asked them to not be finished. Actually, let's see if we can make it even better. We want kids to have the tools to learn how to deal with disappointment and failure and when things don't work right the first time. So this helps them to see that it's not a start and finish, that it's a constant cycle of starting, improving, thinking, changing, starting again. It's definitely a lifelong skill.